Hello everyone, look at this material. On several of my old tutorials, I show you how to draw them and get them. If you are interested, click here for the tutorial. And on today's tutorial and the following video, I will select some of this material to make different combinations, and then I will print out and make them in reality. Okay, now let's pick some material to make today's design. I would like to keep this and then put them together. Okay, this is the design. And then I will print out the backdrop and the butterfly, and then set up everything in reality. Now let's go. Okay, I asked the factory to print and cut all the backdrop for me. Let's start in with the butterfly. Look, this is a folding backdrop. Look, this is a folding backdrop. To make the folding backdrop in order to save the space. And then let's turn it around. Now let's use some tape to stick the folding place. Okay, turn it around. So we got the butterfly. And then we need to make a stand for the butterfly. About the stand, since I want to make the stand by myself because I have this hard PVC board. Look. Hard. Not easy to be bent. And this is KD board. Just a foam board. Look. It's soft and light. So I will use this hard PVC board. In fact, you can buy a small stand from the market to save time. I don't have it, but maybe for the following video, I will buy some and show you. Okay, anyway, I need to make a hole on the board. Okay, so I have the board. And then you can use this KT board to cut a small piece to stick on the back side to stack up the KT board because I need to install the screw on this plate. Look like this board. Look, I cut some small piece to stack it up. But anyway, since there's already 3 holes on it, so I can direct stack up with the screw. Okay, I stand up the stand with the screw. Actually, using this method will be better and faster. And then use our iron stick to connect with the screw to make the length we want. You can use other poles. Maybe wooden stick will be okay also. Use anything you have. And then let's install it on the board. You don't have to use this method. Just get all you have to make the stand will be okay. Or you can buy the small stand. I will show you that stand in the future. Okay, so the stand was made. And then let's install our butterfly. Also, use some tape. Stick them together. Okay, I will stick the rest and then turn around to check the effect. Look, this is the butterfly I set up. I didn't make it in same size. If you want it the same, we can change the size you want. Okay, and also, look, I set up another backdrop and an arch. Since the procedure are the same, and I already took a tutorial to show you the detail. If you are interested, click here for the old video. I don't repeat on this tutorial. Okay then, let's put them together to make the backdrop setting. Okay, look. This is the effect after I move the arch and the backdrop on the middle. And then let's hang up our flower arrangement. Okay, look, this is the effect. The detail about how to make the flower arrangement and how to hang on the backdrop. Click here for the tutorial if you are interested. I don't repeat the procedure on this video. Then let's stick our sign on the backdrop. You can ask someone to make the sign for you, or you can use a golden hard cardboard. Cut the sign and stick on the backdrop with group or double face tape will be okay. I will show you the effect after completing. Okay, completed. Let's check the effect. And also, let's set up our pedestal with the cake. Look, this is our folding pedestal. Since I already took a tutorial to show you the detail about this pedestal, if you are interested, click here for the old tutorial. I don't repeat on this video. Okay, look, I set up the pedestal and put it in the middle front of our backdrop. And then let's put on our handmade artificial cake. I handmade it with some Katie ball and hard cardboard. Now everything was completed. Look, our pedestal and our butterfly, and together with our backdrop. Look, this is the whole effect. If you can hang up some LED light on the top arch, the come out will be much more pretty. Okay, check it from the top and from the bottom. If you want to make a backdrop of your own, you can tell me your idea or send me your design. We can ask the factory to print out and send to you, together with the flower or other material. Look, let's check the detail. For your information also, we supply almost all the material used on our video. The pedestal, the flower leaf. Okay, this is the detail. And also, look at this. Since I DIY the stand for the small backdrop, look at this. I'm using a golden pole. Using a transparent pole or other maybe silver pole was better than gold. And also, look, since this backdrop a little bit tall, so if our handmade base not heavy enough, we can put something heavy to make the base much more sturdy. Look, this is today's design. If you like this idea, please buy me a cent as supporting. I will use this money to buy more material and take more video. Thank you for your watching. Bye.